Anger is a totally normal, mostly healthy emotion, unless it grows out of control, in which case it can wreak havoc at work, at home, and in the overall quality of your life. Hi, my name is Lee Kaufman with the Marriage Recovery Center, and I'd like to invite you to a class that I'll be teaching on understanding and overcoming anger. We'll look at what anger is, intellectually, physically, and emotionally, and I'll provide some real-world tips to help you mitigate its impact on the quality of your life. We'll also have plenty of time for questions, so you can ask things that are specific to your life, and hopefully the information I'll provide will create immediate impact and improve things. I hope you'll join.